Welcome back to Data Ki Dunia, your go-to spot for diving deep into the world of SQL with daily challenges that make you a pro. I'm Tripati and today we are tackling a topic that's crucial for every SQL enthusiast. That is Advanced Query Optimization. If you ever wondered why some of your queries run slow or how to make them faster, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Alright, so why is query optimization important? Imagine you are at a wedding buffet. If the food is served in a long line with multiple counters, you will get your meal faster compared to a single long line. Similarly, optimizing your SQL query is about reducing the time it takes to get the results you need by improving how data is accessed. Let's dive into an example. Suppose you have a dataset with employee records and you need to find employees who have been with the company for more than 5 years and are working in the sales department. So let's write a query for that. Super fast. Let's run the query and check it if it works or not. So we got our answers. So what I did here, I have selected the required columns like employee ID, name, hire date and department from the employees table. Then this condition. In this condition, filters the records to include only those where the hire date is more than 5 years ago. So date sub is a function that subtracts the time interval from the current date, that is the current date, and giving us a date 5 years in the past. And last in the here I have filtered the condition according to the cells, which is a department. We know the query works. While the query works, it might become slow if the employees table grows large. We have only maximum 10 to 15 records in this table, but if the table grows large, there may be a problem. So to speed things up, we can use indexing. And indexing is like a roadmap for your SQL queries. It helps the database find data quickly without scanning every row. So let's write an index for it. So before running the index, let's check the query first. How does time it takes? So it took at least 16 seconds, 0.016 seconds, because there are not much record in this, so it took very less time. But if the table is a little big or little large, it will take much time. So let's create the index first and then check its, then run the query again, and now it took 0.000 seconds. So you saw a significant reduction in query time after creating the index. This demonstrates how indexing helps improve the performance by reducing the amount of data that the database needs to process. So now it's your turn. Take a large dataset with a complex query and apply indexing to see how it impacts the performance. Share your results in the comments below, and I have added some tables in the dataset also. You can follow the hints. Try optimizing a query that fetches orders from the last 6 months with a specific status and compare the execution time before and after indexing. So to sum up, indexing is a powerful technique to boost query performance. By creating indexes on columns used in your queries, you can make your SQL operation much faster. So if you enjoyed today's challenge, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more daily SQL tips right here on Data Ki Dunia. See you in the next video. Thank you.